Let's do this.
Trying to find some heroes. August 14th, 2015.
What makes you a hero?
What makes you a hero?
Why are you a hero?
Why are you a hero?
Why are you a hero?
Why am I?
Why are you?
I'm a hero because I'm a friend to everyone.
I'm the best martial teacher. Getting a good education. I've inspired someone by something that I did. I spent a lot of time in the weight room.
My son was a Davis Star.
Because I check people out. Future Davis Stars.
Because I am the first one here.
Woo!
We reach out to people. Being nice people makes me a hero.
I aspire to help people.
I pick up chicks.
I am a kind-hearted soul.
I have fun the right way.
I kissed a girl.
I want to help the teacher and do service for all of it.
It holds the door for everybody at school.
We think there is a hero in every dark.
I am a hero.
I'm a hero.
I'm a hero. I'm a hero.
He's a hero!